Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's begin by logging into our ADCB app. If you have been wondering how you can send money from your ADCB account to any other UAE bank, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to do that in just minutes. So, once you are logged in, at the bottom of your screen in the center, tap on Transfers. Again, tap on Instant Transfers since we want our transfer to go through instantly. Can see we have many options down below like send money, request money, scan and pay, but our main focus here is sending money. So let us click or select send money. Again, this window here will be open where we have three options to send money. First being with mobile number or email ID. Second, using an ADCB account number. And the third, using an IBAN number. That is, if you want to send money to another bank within UAE, that is not ADCB. Once you have selected transfer using IBAN, all you have to do is simply copy the IBAN number of the account you want to send money to and then paste it here in this box you see. The details associated with this account will then be revealed, like the bank name, the branch, and the branch address. All you have to do here is type in the name of this account. Make sure that the account holder name that you input matches with the account name validation information that is already within the bank system. Okay, and once you're done, click on continue. Here, select your account from which you want to send money from and then input the transfer amount that you want to send and tap on the drop down button. Select who you want to pay the fees, whether it's you or you want to share the fees with the person that is receiving the money. Again, select the purpose why you are sending this money. I always prefer to input family support. Someone in the comments asked me where do they get their reference number from. The reference number is given to you by the receiver in case they want you to include this information in these transaction details. So, review the receiver's details and make sure that they are correct, and once you are satisfied with that, tap on continue and then you have to verify this transaction. Simply follow the instructions on the screen to verify your face scan. Okay, and then your transaction will be successful, as you can see on the screen. So that's how you send money from your ADCB account to any other UAE bank.